Hey, future scientists! Get ready to blast off into a world of wonder with Ivy and friends. Today, we're unleashing 10 super fun experiments you can do right at home. We'll use nature, a sprinkle of friendship, and a whole lot of curiosity. Ready to wow your family and spark your amazing brain? Let's dive in. Before we jump into the fun, let's make sure we're all set for a safe and awesome adventure. Always ask a grown-up for help with materials. Safety first, super scientists. Grab your safety goggles, a trusty towel, and let's gather our everyday household and nature items. You'll be amazed at what incredible discoveries we can make with simple things. First up, it's experiment number 1, leaf chromatography. Did you know leaves have secret colors hiding inside them? We're going to unlock their vibrant rainbow. All you need is a coffee filter, some leaves, and rubbing alcohol. Watch closely as the colors magically separate and climb the filter. It's like a tiny art show created by science. Shout yes if you see the rainbow appear. Next, get ready for the Fizzy Friendship Fountain. This one is always a blast and super exciting. It's a classic for a reason. Combine baking soda and vinegar for an amazing eruption. It's a fantastic way to see a chemical reaction in action. Count the fizz as it bubbles and overflows. For experiment number 3, let's explore Pinecone Buoyancy. Will your pine cone float or will it sink in water? It's a fun way to learn about density. Observe how the pine cone changes when it gets wet. This experiment helps us understand why some things float and others don't. It's all about how much space an object takes up versus its weight. Ever wanted to make your own cloud? With experiment number 4, you can create a cloud in a jar right indoors. It's easier than you think. Using hot water, ice, and a little aerosol, you'll see condensation form before your eyes. You're basically a mini meteorologist. How cool is that? Let's watch life unfold with experiment number 5, seed germination. It's like magic, but it's pure science. You'll see a tiny seed sprout into a plant. Place a bean seed in a window bag and watch it grow over time. This is perfect for young botanists and shows how plants begin their journey. Harness the power of the sun for experiment number 6, sunprint charms. Create beautiful UV leaf silhouettes on special sunprint paper. It's a wonderful way to combine art and science using natural light. You'll make unique keepsakes from your outdoor adventures. Get ready for blast off with experiment number 7, our very own balloon rocket. This one is all about action and motion. Watch your balloon zoom along a string track, demonstrating air thrust. It's a fantastic example of Newton's third law of motion in a super fun way. Prepare to be amazed by experiment number 8, walking water. Watch as colored water magically walks between cups. It's a colorful journey. This experiment beautifully demonstrates capillary action, showing how water can move upwards against gravity. It's like the water has tiny legs. Go on a magnetic adventure with experiment number 9, magnetic catch. Grab a magnet wand and hunt for hidden metal objects. Discover the invisible forces of magnetism all around you. It's a super fun way to explore how magnets attract certain materials. Finally, for experiment number 10, let's create a shadow puppet safari. Use dino shapes and a flashlight to bring your imagination to life. Explore how light and shadows work together to create fun illusions. It's a playful way to end our scientific journey today. Wow, we did it! 10 amazing DIY science experiments that you can do at home or for your homeschooling adventures. Which one was your absolute favorite? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you love hands-on science and subscribe to Ivy and Friends for more exciting discoveries. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep being the amazing young scientists you are. See you next time.